Total of 36 on 9.
What do you think it is? Nothing? It's empty, huh? It's clickbaiting us.
No, it's something in there.
Here we are, guys. We're in this. This guy's texting.
Now, I'm going to show you.
He's looking at stock markets. So we're going to go through this. We already know there's some good stuff. We went through the surface boxes where we found the coin collection. You watched us auction, and it was in a video, probably a video by itself. But we got some cool stuff. Gickley prints. There's going to be, I think there's something else in here. We're still going to find some more good stuff.
That's what I just did. You don't have a choice.
Giants. Giants. This is a giant box. Get it? Get back with Big Mac.
That's kind of cool.
Is that a McDonald's shirt?
Obviously, the McDonald's wire.
Bridge school benefit. Giants. 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 Come on, concert shirts. That's what Daddy wants to see. May the stink be with you. Should we give that to Stinky? No? Giants. Giants. Secret Goldman, are you having fun? Secret Goldman, that's his name. Secret Goldman. Secret Goldman. Going for the gold right now, ladies and gentlemen. We'll just do a little.
I'll let you know, as soon as he scratches it on the stone, you can tell by how soft it comes off.
I have to do this. I hope you're not going to look at me. Otherwise, it'll be...
Do it.
18. This ring right here is so nice.
You like the Marquise cut diamond ring?
Yeah. There's at least $300 in the box. Maybe $400. 500, I don't know. Ow!
What do you think it is? Nothing? It's empty, huh? It's clickbaiting us.
No, it's something in there. Okay.
Oh, sí me gusta. Oh, sí, Scotty, no loco.
It's only a couple silver pieces.
It's pretty nice.
Couple?
Yeah.
The
Like
whole
that's
bottom row.
not that. No, these aren't silver.
Oh,
That one, that one is.
2, 3,
That one is.
4,
That one is. That one is.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Come
Nice
on,
little set.
don't say there's only a couple of silver.
What's the name on it?
And then
It's
check this
coins from the 20th
out.
century.
This is beautiful.
The Beatles Ultimate Collector Set.
Oh, it's not all there.
It's missing a CD.
And I got a game.
The Beatles Flip Your Wig game.
That's a cool point.
And then this had a case wherever it went underneath here.
Underneath everything.
Coins. Found coins.
I wish I had.
Let's see. Let's see. Let's see what I mean.
Whoa.
It's the Giants team ball. Print. Alright. I mean, I'm running out of hands. Hold on. I like this one. Beanie Babies. We're in hour 742 of this storage unit. Morale is low. We're calling on the good luck gods to bring us some great items. Jewelry box. Remember when I went like this a minute ago, guys? Remember that?
I don't know. Open the top. Flip the top up. Top of it.
Could be still hanging on the side, never know.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man.
Good mover always brings a knife.
You stole
My
from
knife.
Annie.
I've been using it for 2 days.
No, he didn't.
I took them both home last night. Híjole.
Where is everything at?
Over there on that table with the secret gold guy.
Nope.
Interesting. Rich Knight. This is obviously a cool one of these Beatles stand-up and so it's printed. It's coming through here. Just trying to poke with the knife, Michael. Oh, I know what it is.
Poster or what?
Papa.
All right.
Mike's the 5th member.
Oh, I gotta get more close on. Found 5th Beatles member. Okay, we got one more cool one though. What is that?
I don't know.
I thought it was gonna be a music band or something. I was wrong. Okay. Go, Speed Racer, go. Go, Speed.
That one little chain, Mario,
Cool.
I couldn't see the marking.
This right here?
Content.
Alright, let's see. Look at that Giants.
Oh, giant.
Maybe gold-plated, but
Somewhere in the world, somebody likes Giants.
Somewhere, huh?
I hope we find them, because we got like one of everything.
Yeah. Take it.
Final game, 1999, Candlestick Park. One patch card per pack. NFL player pack. Okay, so there's a patch in here. Ooh,
He thought he was making a good move. He was
Cherry rice.
greatest thing. That's a pile of goodness, really. It's not like high end, but that's cool pieces that are beyond scrap, not gold. Silver, cool, almost gold. We're about to do the weigh-in. But that looks nice.
very, very.
Good or no?
I don't know. You got it, man. You're doing good. You're so patient.
I'm sad. 869 of 2002 Giants World Series baseball bat. That's kind of cool. It's not real signatures, but I'll take that. It's better than a sharp stick in the eye.
3609.
Wow.
This is what I did. This is 10 karat. I'm sorry, I subtract stones. This one I left behind because we don't know if it's diamonds. I say it's not, but I don't want to leave any questions, so I left behind. That's the 14 karat. This is the ring, I know, including the ring. You maybe wants to do something with it. Find another way to sell it. So this is out. But this one right here, I subtract all this, it come out to 10 grams. And I have 77 grams at 30 today. It comes to be 23 and 10. 18 karat 37, 606. 10 karat went up $21, $693. Total of 3609.
And they said supersonic.
Just right now, that's Mickey Moro. If it's a silver or gold, whatever, Mickey Moro is a good guy.
What would you load
You find out later. Mickey Moro is a good maker.
Where are they?
Mickey Moro, I just
Yeah,
saw it right here.
what's the they say something there.
Yeah, it will be silver. Okay, it will be silver. Let me see.
Movie poster? No.
That's
It is a movie poster.
movie.
Yeah.
It's the Warfield. It's a concert. Keep hearing?
Do it again.
I mean, I say Keith Haring on the brain. Ansel Adams. Oh, careful, easy.
Leave.
Looks like a repop though. They weren't on cardboard. Show print. It's cool.
Wait, there's one more.
There's one more. Let's wait.
Wow.
15 bucks.
Mike, your little hoe bag.
Former cafeteria provider at Lars Corporate Philip made the best egg rolls. See? It's Philip from San Jose State.
Yeah, nothing good.
That's not my favorite quarterback. Steve Young, way better than Joe Montana.
Think so?
Well, it's a controversial debate. A lot of people don't agree with me because Montana has more Super Bowls, et cetera, but Montana played with a twice as better team. Montana had the dream team. Young had a lot of good players, but it wasn't the same team. Also, I think that Montana played against easier teams versus what Young played against. Ruben, what do you guys say?
What?
About anything about this unit?
I mean, the first one was a lot better for sure. I think all the good stuff was in that one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This one had one box that we sold on my auction for $1,400. It was all coins. Yeah. So
When did you guys first jump into it?
we jumped in on Friday, and I took it home and auctioned it Saturday. One of the first boxes out. This is pillaged, ravaged. That's a wrap. This will be going to the dumps. This will go back in there.
Oh yeah.
That's nice. Cardboard reprint. We got this whole load here for the flea market tomorrow, Wednesday. We got a little bit that I'm going to deliver to the market tomorrow. In front of that is the board. That's the goods. That's about a halfway trailer mark. You see it about right there. Storage tall. That's all the good stuff we have to split up. We just got $3,600. We just got $3,600 in gold. We did not scrap the diamond ring. The rest were not diamonds. There was a little bit of gems, but we just scrapped everything cash money. We've already sold 1,400 coins, but I got to take off some taxes and shipping expenses to make that total. But we're looking at already about $4,600 back with just the 2 boxes, pretty much. Factor in the records that I believe are about another $2,000. That's going to be 66. We'll get a little more for the market tomorrow, and then we'd probably just split and walk away with each getting minimum $5,000 in eBay stuff. Minimum. Bye, guys. Bye, Ruben.